Hey, how you doing? Welcome to my first ever real video. And what I mean by real is the best I've ever done. So I'm recording this with my DSLR and I have some lights, and to me it's Oscar quality, but to you it may be Atari quality. But I'm happy about it and I am taking action, and that is the key to life, is to take action.
Massive action.
If you want things to happen for you. You know, so many people don't take any action in their lives. You know, they're watching their lives instead of being their lives. There are reasons why they don't take any action and do things that they want to do in their lives. And here are the 3 top reasons. Number 1, they listen to people who tell them they can't do it. You know, you can't do that. It won't work. Don't waste your time doing that. And number 2, they feel like they're not good enough or smart enough. It's out of their league. They think to themselves, why did I ever think I can do this? And number 3, they're scared to fail. When in reality, failure is the only way to success. And I think number 3 is the biggest reason we don't hit a lot of our goals in our life, is because we believe it's not going to work and we quit before we even try. So this is why I created this channel, for me to take action and to help you take action in your life as well, and to provide you with plenty of content that will help you in your life. You know, I have a few goals with my channel that I want to accomplish, and my first goal is to create 100 videos in 100 days challenge. Starting with this video, and in the bottom right hand corner of this video you see 2 numbers. The first number is the number of videos I've created so far with this challenge, and the second is the cutoff date. So I'm going to hit that goal, and when I do, I'm going to update you with another video telling you my progress and results of my 100 video challenge. So right now I want to share with you something that I learned about goal setting. It's always better to make small goals instead of making big goals. I found that big goals create distance from you and that goal, which makes them harder to hit. But tiny goals, bite-sized, teensy tiny actions, those are what keep you going, and they allow you to hit your bigger goal. I've also learned about the 100 times rule, which pretty much guarantees you some sort of results. I mean, if you do anything 100 times, not only do you get better at it, but you learn and you adapt. You know, doing something one time is not enough. You can't do something once or twice and expect your world to change. You have to take a lot of action to see results. For example, let's say you want to eat better, right? Instead of eating healthy for a day or 2, you do the 100 times rule. Maybe you eat 100 salads in 100 days. Or another example, you might want to save money. So you save $1 a day for 100 days. Then the next 100 days you save $2. Or maybe you want to watch less TV, and instead of watching 4 hours a day, you cut it down to 3 hours a day for 100 days. And the next 100 you cut it down to 2 hours. That is the 100 times rule, and I challenge you to do something in your life 100 times, whether it's making 100 videos or whatever. Let's say you want to get great at making cakes or something like that. You make 100 of them. Maybe you want to drink more water. Drink 8 ounces of water a day for 100 days. It doesn't have to be something big, just try something. So there's a girl on YouTube named KarenXCheng. I saw a video of her on the internet some years ago. She made a blog about learning how to dance. She didn't know how to dance, and so she decided to practice dancing, and she learned every day for a year. And at the end of her last video, she showed her progress. And in that video of her, if you've seen the video, she's dancing in front of a subway train. She was able to dance as good as dancers I see on YouTube today. I'll leave the link to the video below so you can watch it yourself. And that is the power of small actions, doing something over and over. So I want you to take the 100 times challenge. Don't overthink it. Just go ahead, get started. Find something you want to get better at or learn to accomplish, and start today. Right after the video, do something 100 times. And the second goal with my 100 videos and 100-day challenge is to make $100 a day from my online business. I've been trying to make money outside of my job for a long time without any real success. And one of the reasons is probably because I never focused on one thing at a time. I was never laser focused on only one thing. So I have been working on that. That's a fault of mine. And my long term is to become a millionaire, to become debt free and not have to worry about money and live on my own terms. So there's a kid on YouTube. He has made over $20 million in a year from his YouTube channel. His name is Ryan Toys Review. He's like 8 years old and he's reviewing toys and he's rich. And that kid woke me up and got me motivated to start my channel, and gave me the courage to know that no matter who you are, what you look like, how old you are, what you know, or how smart you are, it doesn't matter. You know, you can be successful, you can make a difference. So to reach my goal, I'm starting with the $100. And I work at a job right now that I don't like, but I'm good at it. You know, and I know y'all probably can relate to this. You get up, you go to work every day like a robot. It's like you work, sleep, work, sleep, work, sleep, a little bit of family, work, sleep, and you make the best of it, but it's not your passion. You know, is it something that you really wanted to do in your life? I mean, if it is, congratulations. But for many people, they're unhappy. And people will say money is not everything, but the world is about wealth. It's about health. It's about relationships. And just like you want a healthy relationship and you want to be physically healthy, don't you want your finances to be healthy as well? Did you know that if people were to make just an extra $500 a month outside of their jobs, it would be life-changing? Did you know that over 63% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover just a $500 emergency? If you just made an additional $500 from providing a service or selling a product, heck, even driving for Uber, you know, that would be $6,000 a year extra. And for 20 years while you're working, that would be an extra $120,000. That would be enough to buy a home, pay off debt, pay down bills, buy a few cars. So make a money goal for yourself. And hopefully this channel will help you get to that monetary goal, because I will also share with you all the stuff that I learned over the years. And I want you to subscribe and stay tuned, because I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff on the inside that I want to share with you, and I know it will help you. So I just thank you for watching this video. And if you got something out of the video, hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that stuff. And I just want to tell you I thank you.